This is Brittany with WTI, sharing this super comfy nuLOOM diamond shag rug. I absolutely love this diamond shag rug because the design on it is a slightly abstract diamond design, so it's nice and chic. The pile of the shag is not too thick and wild, so it still looks really nice and chic, but it also still has the cozy warmth of a shag rug, but is also a thin enough pile to where it is very easy to vacuum. I have no problem whatsoever running my vacuum over this. It's very easy to keep clean, especially because of the pattern and the color. Since it is slightly off-white, it does not show dirt or imperfections. I just absolutely love it, and I feel like it has completed this space in such a beautiful way. And that's my point of view.